Congratulations, ma'am, for completing your 10th years H&M Beauty Salon. So, how does this milestone feels?
I'm feeling so grateful to God, first of all. And secondly, I just want to feel it like, yes, 10 years I crossed within so many things. For me, 10th year is something which I never imagined.
आपने एज अ हेयर स्टाइलिश ये स्टार्ट किया था और बाद में भी आपने हेयर स्किन लेजर ये सब भी स्टार्ट करना चालू कर दिया, तो आप इसके बारे में कुछ बता सकते हो?
लाइक आप जिस प्लेट में आप खाना रखते हो तो यू हैव ओनली रोटी चावल दाल, तो इट्स वेरी लाइक सेम सिमिलर फूड नोबडी कैन एंजॉय. सो आई डेफिनेटली लव टू गो फॉर एड-ऑन्स. व्हाट एड-ऑन्स आई थिंक लाइक आज की डेट में क्या चाहिए मार्केट में. मैं slowly steadily I just increased. Like first I started with hair, then I got into skin, then makeups. People come to me like आप इतना अच्छा करो, let's go for makeup. I started with makeups.
10 साल से आपके क्लाइंट्स आपको जो सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं उनके लिए कोई स्पेशल मैसेज?
I seriously by heart I'm giving them gratitude because they are the only motivation for me.
आज हमारे साथ है H&M ब्यूटी सैलून की फाउंडर मिसेस मनीषा सिंह. कॉर्पोरेट करियर से अपनी जर्नी शुरू करके इन्होंने अपने पैशन को बिजनेस में बदला है और आज H&M ब्यूटी सैलून को 10 साल कंप्लीट हो चुके हैं. तो मनीषा मैम, वेलकम टू आवर पॉडकास्ट. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस मैम फॉर कंप्लीटिंग योर 10th years H&M ब्यूटी सैलून. सो हाउ डज दिस माइलस्टोन फील्स?
Frankly, thank you so much for making me feel like I crossed 10 years, because right now again I'm feeling like, oh, 10 years. Yes.
Yeah.
It's really what you say. I'm feeling so grateful to God, first of all. And secondly, I just want to feel it like, yes, 10 years I crossed within so many things. For me, 10th year is something which I never imagined. For me, 10th year is like I see my baby growing like anything, because I have given my heart, my love, my brain. मेरे दिल में जो भी था मैंने उस सैलून में डाल दिया. So it's more like I'm seeing my baby growing happily in abundance, and everybody is liking it to the core. So we reach this place. So I'm very much blessed. Thank you so much.
So did you ever imagine कि अभी H&M ब्यूटी सैलून इस पॉइंट पे पहुंच चुका है? बट आप जब फर्स्ट में स्टार्ट किया था तो आपको ऐसा लगा था कि इस पॉइंट में आप पहुंच पाओगे?
Frankly, I tell you, nobody can imagine this long. Nobody has this kind of vision that they cross 2 years का भी आगे क्या होने वाला है. Like even मैं next day के लिए नहीं प्लान कर पाती हूँ इतने अच्छे से. So I just jot it down. But yes, मेरे दिल में एक बात थी, and it's a gut feeling you can say. Like I feel it inside my gut कि जिस चीज में आप अपना दिल डालते हो, जिस चीज को आप पूरी तरह से कोशिश करते हो कि आपको ये करना है, ये आपका है, definitely it worked it out. So I feel glad कि मैं खुद की सिंसियरिटी को एक्सप्लोर कर चुकी, मैंने अपने पैशन को यहाँ इन्वॉल्व किया, एंड दिस इज अ लर्निंग एंड एक्सप्लोरिंग फेज फॉर मी.
आपके हिसाब से पैशन मतलब क्या है?
पैशन वेयर आई कैन गिव माई होल हार्ट, माई लव, आई कैन इन्वॉल्व विथ माई होल ब्रेन. लाइक इफ आई एम डूइंग समथिंग, इट्स माई थिंग, इट्स माई बेबी. मैं उसे कहाँ देखना चाहती हूँ, मैं उस डे से प्रेडिक्शन और प्लानिंग शुरू कर दूंगी. एंड फ्रैंकली इट्स माई बेबी, सो मैं अपनी पूरी जान लगा दूंगी कि मैं उसमें पूरा 100% हूँ. सो दैट्स कॉल्ड अ पैशन. सो पैशन इज योर लव वेयर यू एक्सप्लोर योरसेल्फ 100% कमिटमेंट के साथ.
यस, डेफिनेटली, मी टू. सो व्हाट इंस्पायर यू टू स्टार्ट दिस H&M ब्यूटी सैलून?
Actually, technically, this is a personal question, but yes, I want to explain why this is personal, because running and moving towards from corporate to H&M, being an entrepreneur is totally a different thing. So मुझे ऐसा लगा कि जॉब और बच्चे is not possible together. 8 hours job.
Yes.
So I switch myself to do something which I love to do. मतलब like if I am loving a fashion thing, so I just want to explore myself into fashion world. Not going with the thing like daily ka monotonous job and then again coming back home taking care of this. So something I wanted to do something by my own. So this makes me do something which I actually love. So since childhood I was more into fashion industry. My matlab like first love is fashion industry. So this is the goal which started me to go for.
ओके, आपके बच्चों ने ये इंस्पायर करा है आपको? तो
मेरे बच्चों ने, यस, मेरे बच्चों ने.
तो आपके बच्चों का नाम क्या है?
is Harshan Meher, definitely.
Oh, that's why H&M Beauty Salon.
Yes, and but this two way. When I started with this Harshan Meher, and also because I was a hairdresser, I'm still a hairdresser, a good hairdresser. So it's H&M means hair and makeover. When you
Oh,
come to
okay.
me, I'll give you a good hair, and then it's completely a change of look for you.
ओके तो H&M एक ब्रांड ऑलरेडी एग्जिस्ट करता है, तो आपने अपने सैलून का नाम H&M ही ऐसा क्यों सोचा? क्या नाम, मतलब क्या रीजन था इसके पीछे?
इसके पीछे दो रीजन थे. पहले तो मेरे ट्विंस दोनों का नाम है हर्ष एंड मेहर. सो हर्ष एंड मेहर को मुझे उस सैलून से कनेक्ट करना था बिकॉज first I was opening my salon and their birthday is the same day, and this is also my baby, they are my baby, so I just wanted to connect. So I just kept the name like hair and makeover together is Harsh and Meher, so that way I just framed it the name as H&M.
Okay, that's nice. So looking back, what has been your biggest turning point in your journey?
Frankly saying is loyalty. Whatever I've given to my clients is coming back to me now. And I feel so blessed when I'm seeing my old clients, like 10 years old client. Like it's a big journey, you know. People go here and there, they forget. But if I see their face and they see my face, it's more like a family. It's like a connection. So that loyalty, I'm just feeling like still I can go ahead with it. Like after
Yes.
10th year, again, if I see myself after 10 years, then definitely I'm something new.
तो अभी आपके सैलून को 10 साल पूरे हो चुके हैं.
Yes.
तो आपने एज अ हेयर स्टाइलिश ये स्टार्ट किया था और बाद में भी आपने हेयर, स्किन, लेजर ये सब भी स्टार्ट करना चालू कर दिया. तो आप इसके बारे में कुछ बता सकते हो?
Yeah, definitely. Like आप जिस प्लेट में आप खाना रखते हो तो you have only रोटी, चावल, दाल. तो it's very like similar food nobody can enjoy. So you definitely love to go for add-ons. What add-ons I think like आज की डेट में क्या चाहिए मार्केट में, मैं slowly steadily I just increased. Like first I started with hair, then I got into hair, skin, then makeups. People come to me like आप इतना अच्छा करो, let's go for makeup. I started with makeups. Then things are changing. Like every year something new is coming. So I just love to explore over there. Like now we are doing aesthetics. Is within 2 years we explored in aesthetics also. Like we are doing laser, Botox, everything. In fact, we are doing hair extension as well. So it's the thing which we get into advanced, basic to advanced. We formatted ourselves, like we explored. Me and my team. Actually, not only me I'm doing, my team is also doing the same thing. So we are loving, like my whole team is loving their work. Frankly, it's like I'm just running a business with my babies and they are just growing with me. That's it.
तो मैं आपसे ये पूछना चाहती हूँ कि कोविड का जब टाइम पीरियड चल रहा था तो काफी सैलून्स बंद थे, तो आपने तब उस टाइम क्या सोचा था?
सी फ्रैंकली कोविड टाइम में सबके साथ में मतलब लिटरली नोबडी फॉल्ट की अभी हमें नेक्स्ट हमारा स्टेप क्या होगा. बट आई एम ब्लेस्ड विद द टीम. दे सपोर्टेड मी. दे वांटेड टू कि लेट्स इट्स ओके, एक महीने सैलरी नहीं है, वी कैन मैनेज, बट इट्स अ सपोर्ट, यू नो, इट्स अ सपोर्ट. वी जस्ट न्यू कि जैसे मार्केट अप होगा वी आर अगेन बैक टू सेम. हम उस बीच में भी लर्न कर रहे थे, हम उस बीच में भी क्लासेस करते थे, हम उस बीच में भी कोर्सेस लेते थे, ऑनलाइन क्लासेस करते थे, सो दैट कि विल बी ऑन द सेम पेज व्हेन वील स्टार्ट अगेन. So it's never we stopped ourselves within lockdown also. Yeah, it's obviously a very depressing moment that time. It was like घर में बैठना, अपने काम को छोड़ के, अपने बच्चों को छोड़ के, जिनके जो आप पे डिपेंडेंट है, आप उन पे डिपेंडेंट हो, इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट फेस. But then somehow it's like you know, when you start living with your family, that bond always motivates you for
Yes.
something new.
Yes.
So they motivated कि it's okay, we can do something best than this. So we are on the same page now.
तो आपके 10 साल की जर्नी में बहुत सारे चैलेंजेस आए होंगे.
Yes.
तो आपको मतलब उस चैलेंजेस को आपने ओवरकम कैसे लिया और वो चैलेंजेस क्या थे?
चैलेंजेस बिजनेस इंडस्ट्री में सबके पास होते हैं. मेरे पास फर्स्ट चैलेंज ये था कि आई हैव सो मेनी इन कॉम्पिटिशन, लाइक सेम पेज, सेम एवरीथिंग, वॉट एवर यू आर सेलिंग, एवरीवन इज सेलिंग द सेम. But what new and what best you are serving, that's the first challenge I have to get. Because what brand I'm using, others are using the same. But मेरे पास नया क्या है? मेरे पास नया मेरी स्ट्रैटेजी है. मेरे पास नया ये है कि I'm not changing my strategy, my sincerity. whatever giving them, I'm with 100% genuinity. Secondly, I felt कि market में when you start your business, you should be consistent. Whatever you started with, be the same. Don't change, because fickles always give you a fall. I felt कि in this industry, in business industries, actually, like not only salon, not only any other industry, but the business industry needs consistency, patience. And if you have that patience, if you are a good learner, definitely you grow up. So I learned my skills. I again explored with the same consistency, with the same genuinity. So that challenges was like very easy for me. Coming, going, people are going, and
Yes.
I'm here.
तो आपकी इस जर्नी में ऐसा कुछ मेमोरेबल मोमेंट है, आप शेयर कर सकते हो हमारे साथ?
Yeah, not only one moments. Yeah, we have so many moments. Like lockdown, I'm telling you, lockdown from house, everybody was doing parties and all. I have a team of 3 that time. मतलब they are my kids. दोनों तीनों मेरे बच्चे, और वो तीनों मुझे बोलते दीदी कुछ तो करना है. So we started taking trainings as well in online classes. Nobody was approaching. घर से भी लोग काम नहीं करना चाहते थे. But for us, it's genuinely required something to get ahead. मतलब like market में हमें वापस आना है. So what with next? So that moment was like a collaboration. That moments were like love bonding. That moments were like family bonding. And I appreciate my whole team. I appreciate by heart Zia, because she supported me like a baby to me. And like wherever I'll go right now, I feel I'm blessed with them. So this is a wholeheartedly blessing for them.
ओके, तो मैम मेरा एक सवाल है कि इतने सालों में आपको कब ऐसा लगा कि H&M ब्यूटी सैलून एक लोगों का ट्रस्टेड ब्रांड बन चुका है?
See, every day you meet new people, right?
Yes.
So meeting again the same people is not always sure. So my thing is like within first year, I feel privileged because people are coming to me by my name, like Manisha. Oh, Manisha is there? Then I'll go for. And within 2 years, I felt like it's more like a family. Clients are also my family. They understand my moods. They understand. They see ki if she is busy, they'll wait back. Then I got to know ki that's okay. We have to take appointments. This is how we extend. Like, this is how we understand loyalty. This is how we understand the respect of
Yes.
what client are giving me, what I am giving to them is only nothing but the only services, but also the respect, the understanding. So I somehow started getting connected within 2 years also, that I am connected with them and they are connected to me. They are not going anywhere. They'll come to me, whether I'm busy, I'm not. They'll take appointments, they'll wait for, and they'll come back. So this is what you can call blessing.
यस, डेफिनेटली. मैम मेरा ये सवाल है आपसे कि आप में सारी सर्विसेज है, तो उसमें से कौन सी आपकी सर्विस बेस्ट है और लोग उसको रिकमेंड करते हैं बहुत?
See, technically we do all the services the best to the core, but हमारे पास सबसे ज्यादा लोग hairs के लिए आते हैं. मतलब it's like repeated. If somebody has gone to some other state also, they come back कि वेकेशन में जा रहे हैं, मनीषा से हेयर ट्रीटमेंट कराना है, and they book it like 1 महीने पहले. Via will be there, Manisha you will be there, okay, हो जाएगा ना. That way it's more like generously we are growing with hair business. Actually that was our first call when I started my salon, that I'll give something new, and hair is something where you feel yourself flexible, you feel yourself.
Yes,
because if you have hair, you flaunt, you do whatever you want to do. So that's the biggest thing I have in my salon. So my all team, everyone is very good with hands and they're doing very well. So now we are doing all the treatments like advanced, core, like basic we are doing smoothing and all, but rest we are doing everything.
तो मैम मेरे मन में एक सवाल आ रहा है, आपने बोला था कि आपके बहुत सारे लॉयल क्लाइंट्स हैं, तो इसका रीजन क्या है?
See, इसका reason first तो blessing है. But second, genuinity. Because if you see in the market, every second, third year, things are changing. Prices are changing. People are, mindsets are changing. Like if someone is coming for me to come for a regular wax, now they're asking for something advanced. They'll ask for laser also. So right now, what I feel is like, if you are going with the trend and not changing your genuinity, people be your loyal. Like in lockdown, I felt everybody is gone. Like half of the people are gone. And now so many of my clients, like they are outside country. I'm just posting a view like 10th year celebration. They are posting me like, oh wow, amazing Manisha, I love to see you growing. So this is what I achieve within this loyalty. This is not like by money only I'm getting it, but the feelings and the respect I'm getting is this is more earning. So this is called, for me, this is the royal loyalty.
ओके अभी नई नई टेक्नोलॉजीज आ रहे हैं, आपको भी पता है 1-2 साल में, तो आप अपने सैलून के लिए आप और अपने टीम को कैसे अपडेट रखते हो?
सी नई नई टेक्नोलॉजीज आती है, देयर आर मूवमेंट्स लाइक पीपल फील कि अभी कुछ नया होना चाहिए. मेरी टीम को भी ऐसा लगता है, मुझे खुद को ऐसा लगता है. And then we do like we hunt for new certifications.
Yes.
We hunt for new courses. Like next market में इसके बाद क्या हो सकता है? So we hunt, we Google. I ask my team and I see creativity. Like if someone is very good with hairs, तो मैं definitely उसे hair में proficiency बनाऊंगी.
Yes.
मैं उसे बोलूंगी तुम hair में best करो. Like then again now within lockdown I started taking the courses like nail का within online only, and they learned it so well. So now I have given them advanced certification also because they needed it and they are very best to do it. Like if you ask anyone anything, they can do anything. They can train their own team. Now even I'm feeling like if I go for a new salon, definitely I'll give a crash course also for the every certification, because my team is like they want to learn, they are very skilled. They want to create something new for the clients, not because this their passion. Earlier it was my passion. Now I'm inbuilding in between them.
Yes.
They are coming with different backgrounds, but they are doing the same thing what I always dream for. So it's like it's always a blessing. So I always believe in blessing. Manifestation is working so hard for me. So thank you for asking this question. But yes, certification and exploring world is always needed.
यस डेफिनेटली. तो मैम अभी हम एक रैपिड फायर करते हैं, तो आपको मेरे सवाल का जवाब 1 वर्ड में देना है.
चलेगा.
ठीक है. सो फर्स्ट, मेकअप या स्किन केयर?
Makeup.
ब्राइडल मेकअप या पार्टी मेकअप?
Bridal makeup.
हेयर स्पा और हेयर कलर?
Hair spa.
1 वर्ड फॉर H&M ब्यूटी सैलून?
Definitely passion.
तो मैम आपके पास जो पहली बार कस्टमर्स आ रहे हैं, तो उनके लिए आप कुछ मैसेज देना चाहते हो?
Yes, you are coming to the right place because we provide only genuine. Nothing is fake. We only give you what best we can provide to you. So that's why we are running so far, and that's why we have loyal clients, because we don't believe in cheating anything.
यस. और 10 साल से आपके क्लाइंट्स आपको जो सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं, उनके लिए कोई स्पेशल मैसेज?
Yes. I seriously by heart I'm giving them gratitude because they are the only motivation for me. Because if you don't have any motivation, if you don't have understanding ki what you have to do in future, seriously you don't get skilled. But because of them, I feel yes, I have to do something new for them. I have to get something best for them. So they are the motivation, and I just thank them from my bottom of heart because they actually stay over there.
So thank you ma'am coming as a guest for today, and thank you for sharing all your experiences. I really love to listen these experiences, and once again congratulations for your 10th anniversary of H&M Beauty Salon.
Thank you, Vaishnavi. Thank you so much for giving your time and understanding what actually I feel for my H&M. Thank you so much.